Hey there, Ryker owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our driver floorboard system for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. Now, one of the things that we've really come to like about the Can-Am Ryker is that you're able to adjust the factory foot pegs to accommodate for different leg lengths and different riding styles. But the one thing that we did start to notice after long distance rides is that the foot pegs can get a bit uncomfortable. So to address this issue, we partnered with our friends over at Spyder Extras to bring you guys these. This driver floorboard option keeps the factory adjustment features in place, allowing you to fine-tune the boards to accommodate your most comfortable foot position while riding. These floorboards measure in at 12 inches long by 5 inches wide and are available with either a black floorboard plate or silver floorboard plate, depending on the look you're going for. So for reference, I wear a size 11 shoe, and as you can see, the floorboard itself is large enough to fit my shoe size, providing me with ample foot support while creating a much more comfortable ride. Now today I'm going to walk you through the installation on our Shop Ryker 600. Let's get started. Start by making a mark on your factory foot pegs directly in between the two raised gussets on the left and on the right. We'd recommend adding some protective eyewear prior to drilling. Then take a 1/8 inch drill bit and make 2 pilot holes where those marks are, before stepping up to a 5/16 drill bit. Next, the manufacturer recommends that you add a little dab of stainless steel lubricant to all stainless steel hardware prior to installation. Then line up your floorboard support holes with the 2 holes we made in the foot peg. Insert your large bolts. And then screw them into the mount lock plate evenly, tightening them down so that they're nice and snug without over tightening. Next, you can add the included nuts, tightening them down all the way while making sure not to over tighten. Then take the 2 small Allen head screws and add a little lubricant to both, before sliding them through the floorboard and into the floorboard support, tightening them down so that they're nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. And then repeat that same process for the other side. Now test the brake pedal to make sure you can compress it all the way down. And if you can't, lift up to unlock the floorboard. Slightly pull out the brake lever and rotate it to the angle that allows you to fully engage the brake when pressed. Now, if you'd like to increase the comfort level on your next Ryker ride by taking your Ryker foot pegs from this to this, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set of driver floorboards for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.